Okay guys, I figured I'd take a video to help you understand what I'm hearing. Okay, so here's the clutch switch, right? And usually it sits in the perch right here, and when the clutch on the stock perch is pushed in, this button right here is pushed in, right? When you release the clutch, right, it puts out. So that closes the circuit. So if you listen, I'm going to push in, right? So that's telling me that my clutch is not engaged. Then I pull in the clutch, releases. That's what would happen. Okay. So right now, if you look at it, right, bike's on. I'm in gear. How's it going? And I'm gonna. So right now, this is acting as if my clutch has been pulled in, right? So let's make sure we pull in our clutch. Oh, still jumped on me a bit. Clutch is probably cold. There we go. Okay, but she's starting, right? She's telling you the clutch. Now what's happening is when I'm driving like this, before I just had this cut and these wires spliced together. When I'm driving like this, it would get to maybe 3/4 throttle and it would start going like kind of cutting out as if it was on a rev limit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and drive this, get it to do that with this in my hand, and then I'm going to push this in while I'm driving and see if the clutch is involved with the rev limiter, and see if that's kind of where my issue's at. And you know, next video I'll tack it on this one, and we'll see what happens. Okay, all right.
Okay guys, so please excuse the picture quality and the sound quality. It's off my iPhone, just kind of on an armband here. I don't have a GoPro yet, but I'm going to take it for a spin and I get you to listen to it, and then I'm going to try and push in this clutch switch here, but maybe you can hear it on the video here. So let's just take it for a quick rip. Okay, so I'm gonna take it into all up to 3rd, 4th gear, and see if you can hear that rev limit. Let me just get out on the street here and open it up. That right there. You hear that? Yeah, that's like right at the top end. So what we're going to do then is we're going to push this in. Yeah, see that? Yeah, see. As soon as I push that in,